Hey everybody, Dan here on a really crappy Friday. Everything's kind of pulling back. However, it's been an awesome week. So, you can't get it all. You can't get them every day, can you? But again, this has been a pretty good week, but I want to discuss real quickly, because I don't have a hell of a lot to say. I want to discuss real quickly what's going on in the market. Okay, so we're looking at Tesla. Tesla reported good earnings. A couple other things. The stock ran up 10%, which is a pretty good move. I think the options market implied a move, if I'm not mistaken, and I might be, up to 850 by the end of the day on Friday, sometime between when they reported earnings and now. So that hasn't quite happened, but came pretty close. But reason I wanted to point to this is what's been happening with stocks, is the ones that they run only to a certain point and then wham, they get hit by selling. And we definitely saw this at the open. The stock runs up, but then by like 10:30, the first hour, this was pretty much done. And then the selling took place, and this is really what governed the action. Right there, because you get the big move, another big move here, and a big move, and then after that, that's all she wrote, and then it's been down ever since. So what my suggestion to you would be is to go ahead, unless you're holding this for a long-term position or something. I don't really know why you would, but I don't get a vote. I would be selling this right now. I'd be selling into strength. And if you say like, oh, I can't do that, okay, well, sell half, sell a quarter, sell something, sell a share. But take some kind of profits after the kind of move this had yesterday. The stock's actually giving you a gift in that it looks like it's going to close about flat today. Wouldn't surprise me if it was 8:15. We've got about 13 minutes to go till the close, and these types of things tend to fall right on the even figure, whether it's 1850 or 8:15, 8:10, 8:20, something like that. But they generally fall right on, right on an even figure. Another stock, just real quick, is American Express. Same type of dynamic of selling into strength. The stock gaps up on good earnings. Immediately sellers hit this thing. Basically, like the first 5 minutes, this is a 5-minute bar chart. First 5 minutes, that was it. And after that, it's all downhill. And if you bought at the open, you bought a loser of 3.75% from where it is right now. And that's why it's not typically a good idea to buy gaps at the open when you've got a pretty big gap. If it's just a runaway gap from consolidation or something, that's another story. But the way this is and the way this is, that's just the market. And so respect the market that you have, rather than trade the one that you wish you had, okay? All right, that's all I got for you. Rest, regroup, have fun this weekend. I know I'm going to do it, and we'll come back and get them on Monday.